friends, in this video I'm going to show you 3 simple steps on how do you maintain your curls. Now, what is the most common mistake that generally people do while maintaining or styling their curly hair? So I'm going to do on my own hair half and half on what you're supposed to do and what you're not supposed to do. So let's get started. Now right now I've just shampooed and conditioned my hair. Now I'll show you what is the next step that you're supposed to do. This is how my hair is after shampoo conditioning. Like if you see, it is obviously wet, right? So I'm going to divide this into 2. So ideally in curly hair you're not supposed to comb at all. Yes, you can comb it when the hair is wet, but once it's dried, you just leave it as it is, right? So this side, I'm going to style it in the actual way that you're supposed to, and this side, I will show you what generally people do, right? So right now, if you see, my hair is still wet. I'm just going to detangle my hair. In case if you feel that there are some parts that are dried off, I'm going to slightly use a water spray to spray. I'm using a small top which is from TG. I'm going to take very little of it. I'm going to take that much quantity of product. I'm going to be mixing an oil along with it, which is a Mythic oil, right? So that's the product that I'm using. I'm going to take 1 pump of Mythic oil and I'm going to mix it really well. So I basically mix it well within my hand. I can actually mix it here in my palms as well, right? And I'm going to spread it. If you see, I'm applying the product facing downwards so that my cuticles are nice and closed. So after I'm done applying the product, all I'm going to do is bend my head down so that I get maximum volume and scrunch it. So your step number 1 is you wet your hair. Number 2 is you use like a curl cream or a leave-in conditioner. And number 3 is you scrunch your hair. Now if you want more defined curls, what you can do is you can take sections and you can also twist them. You take sections and you can twist them slightly. So this will give you like a very nice defined. So especially people who have very frizzy hair can do the twisties. Well, I'm just going to scrunch it and let this portion dry naturally. I will be using a diffuser to show you how to dry it as well. But if you do not have a diffuser, just let it dry naturally. What generally people with curly hair do? Number 1 is they keep brushing their hair out. Now, a lot of them do not use a leave-in. It's very important, guys. If you have curly hair, please use a leave-in because the leave-in tends to lock the moisture, which will give you that added shine and softness that curly hair requires. If you're not going to use a leave-in, the hair is going to look excessively dry and it would not define your curls that well, right? So basically, I have just shampooed, I've conditioned it, and now I've just combed it and let it to dry naturally without scrunching it, without using a leave-in. So let's see how this dries and let's see how this dries. Also, one more quick way to dry curly hair is that you can use a diffuser. This is how a diffuser looks like. It's an attachment that you get with the dryer. It helps you to dry your hair much more faster. So you can use a diffuser if you want your hair to dry really fast and if you want to go out and you do not want your hair to look wet. Now, whenever you're using a dryer and a diffuser, make sure you're using high temperature but low speed. That means you use medium speed. Okay, the fan speed should be medium and the heat can be high. So I'm going to use medium speed and high heat, and also I'm going to flip my neck slightly bending so that the hair is hanging, and then I'm going to take the hair in the diffuser. Now, one very important thing about curly hair is the more the moisture you give it, the better it looks. So in case if you feel there is a little bit of frizz even after it's dried, you can use this product. This is called as Moisture Kick. So it's a liquid based leave-in. So all you need to do is shake it a little bit and just spray it from a distance. So you can use this product on the next day of your wash as well, and just very gently run your fingers on top. Remember that you cannot run your fingers through and through. You cannot do this on curly hair. The minute you do this, that means you're running your fingers through, you're breaking your curls. Can you see this? Because my hair is fine, it tends to dry really fast, right? Because I've combed it, and again I will be combing this. Now generally curly hair people do this. They keep combing their hair to control the frizz, but it does not work out that way. The more you're going to comb, the more frizzier the hair looks, because remember that each strand of your hair is curly, and that's why it looks like a frizz. Now generally people with curly hair, they want to control the frizz, they want to tame it down. So what most of them land up doing is they use oil, right? Everyone uses parachute oil or coconut oil to settle the frizz, but does it really work? Let's try using this. So I'm taking some amount of coconut oil and I'm going to apply it on my hair this side, which I don't want to. Now guys, this is how your hair is going to dry out if you do not maintain your curls well, and this is how your hair is going to dry out if you maintain your curls well. It does not take much effort. It's just 3 simple steps which you can achieve this kind of hair, and you can see the result clearly, right? If you are going to comb your hair, it's just going to get frizzier. It's not going to settle your frizz. If you're going to use leave-in, you will get the shine in your curls and also the bounce. It's not going to make it flat, right? Now if you do not use a leave-in, your hair is going to look extremely dry and lifeless. If you're going to use oil, it does not do much to control the frizz. You will keep adding oil over oil over oil, which will just make this look flat and limp and lifeless. If you're going to use like a professional argan oil mixed with a leave-in, you will see that the hair looks much fluffier, lighter, and your curl looks extremely enhanced. So this is how you style it generally, and this is how it is to be styled. So please follow the instructions. So step number 1, use the right shampoo conditioner, use a leave-in conditioner, scrunch it well, and if you can also use a diffuser for your hair. So I hope you found this video informative. If you like it, please do share it and subscribe to our channel. Till then, this is Shine Janathanan. I will see you soon in the next video. Thank you. Take care.